Okay, how to tell from an equation whether a physical or chemical change has occurred. It actually is going to be very simple because I don't want you to freak out about complicated looking compounds. We're going to start out with something simple. Everybody knows H2O is water. All right, in parentheses behind it, we have an L, which means liquid. And then, of course, we have this is where it's changing, blah, 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 the equation. On this side, we have H2O, but it is now a gas. The only thing that has changed here is the change in state from liquid to gas. That is a physical change. A liquid to a gas, that is condensation. No, that was vaporization. That is vaporization. And that is a physical change. No new substances were formed. So it is a physical change. And then you might have something like sodium oxide breaking down into sodium and oxygen gas. And actually, if I'm going to balance it, that would be a 4, would be a 2. Okay, we're not worried about balancing it really yet. Okay, so this breaks down into new substances. At this point, if you recognize that you have new substances over here, you don't need to look at the phases. It doesn't matter. So when you break this down, you are forming new substances. These are going to have its own properties over here, and these are going to have its own properties over here. So this is a chemical change because new substances were formed. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thanks.